Hi, welcome to the Education Matrix channel. I'm Sandy Ingram, and today's video we're going to talk about a tax scenario where the IRS took my Iraqi dinar profits. Meet Jay. Jay is pissed. The IRS took all of his money. Let's find out what happened and to make sure this doesn't happen to you. You want to stay until the end on this video. I know you already understand what may have happened to the money, but do you know how to get most of the money back without having to file a tax return? Jay had a serious illness and decided to drop off the grid and live in the woods for a while. He didn't inform the IRS of his new mailing address. Jay hides his dinars in a fire lockbox under the floorboard of his cabin in the woods. The Iraqi dinar floated to $1 equal to 1 Iraqi dinar. He goes to the bank where his disability checks are deposited and exchanges 100,000 dinars for 100,000 US dollars. Jay puts $10,000 in his pocket and leaves $90,000 in the bank, believing the money is safe. When Jay returns to the bank, they tell him the IRS levied his checking and savings account for unpaid taxes. Jay hires an enrolled agent. Enrolled agents can practice before the IRS, just like attorneys. Remember, he has $10,000 in his pocket. The first thing the enrolled agent does is to complete a change of address form, 8822, for Jay. The second thing she does is she has Jay sign the necessary paperwork for her to represent him before the IRS and to get his medical records. The enrolled agent files a form 843. This is a claim or for refund or request for abatement. She asked that all the penalties be abated. The IRS finds the document evidence of Jay's illness to be sufficient, to be enough. So they return Jay's monies back to his bank account minus the original amount owed and a limited amount for penalties. So Jay gets most of his money back. The moral of this tax scenario is, if you owe the IRS, implement a payment plan which you can afford right now, today. That way, when you receive income from your Iraqi dinar profits, the IRS more than likely will not levy your bank account, as long as you honor your previous payment plan. People, you cannot make a mistake on this, even if you have an inkling that you owe the IRS anything. The penalties and interest over the years or the months can grow really, really big. So make sure that you don't owe the IRS anything.